Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this quick video, I am going to show you how to complete the setup of your Amazon Echo Plus once you plug it in and ALEXA says, hello, it's time to complete setup, blah, blah, blah. So this is what we need to do. So basically, I'm recording this on my old phone with the ALEXA app with my new phone. So bear with me if the quality isn't so great. I'm actually going to try and keep it as focused as possible for you so that we can read what's going on in the app. So yeah, so let's do this thing. So we're going to say, and so once you launch the ALEXA app, this little pop-up should come up, assuming you plugged it in and everything went fine. I have a separate unboxing video on my channel of the ECHO Plus if you want to check that out. But this is the setup video, so let's go and get that done. So the first thing you want to do is obviously click continue here. And then when you do that, you know, the app is going to tell you to press and hold the action button. So for newer devices, some of these steps might not be required. This is more if you have an older generation ECHO device that is not set up to be fully automated, but it could also be useful for some of the newer devices, even if something goes wrong during setup. But for this one, this is the default, and this is exactly what you need to do if you have the Echo Plus. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press and hold the action button, find the round action button on your device, and press it for approximately 15 seconds. Once letting your Echo Plus turns orange, tap continue. So we're going to press this button, and I don't think it's going to take 15 seconds, but let's do a little count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. And
now in setup mode.
So that's all it took to go to setup mode. So it was 5 seconds, not 15 seconds, but that's fine. And I've done, you probably done one too many of these. And then next we want to click continue. And then it's going to search for Wi-Fi, and it's going to say, make sure your device is nearby, connecting to your saved Wi-Fi. So it's automatically going to connect up to my 2.4 gigahertz network here, which is named the Dojo. And if you're ever in town and you want to, hook up to my Wi-Fi, leave me a comment down below on the YouTube video, and I'm always happy to share my Wi-Fi. There we go. Okay, connecting to your saved Wi-Fi, the Dojo. Extra points if you know why I named my Wi-Fi the Dojo. It is a Marvel reference, so I'll give you that one hint. Drop a comment below if you know why I did that. And that's it. So she basically came in and said Echo is ready. So Echo Plus is now connected to my Wi-Fi network. And then I'm going to say continue here. I think it's just going to return us to the main screen in the You Know Who app. And then so we still have some more things to do and set up. So which room is my Echo Plus in? So it is in the living room. I'm going to say continue. And then voice ID, I think we are going to skip this for now. Yes, skip. But that's basically if you want You Know Who to recognize your unique voice, that's one way to do it. And then where is Echo Plus? And I'm going to gray this part out of it, but yep, blur it out, whatever that's called. And I'm going to say continue here. Amazon Sidewalk, I'm not really using, so I'm just going to disable that for now. So that's a feature that basically lets you extend your Wi-Fi range to, I believe it's outside your crib based on number of devices you have and how they interact with each other and so forth. I don't really need that. I have high-speed internet here that I'm totally fine with. And then there we go. Well, welcome to Echo Plus. And then the short video I will skip for now, but I know that she's already active, and I haven't said the you know what word, but I will say it, and then I think I'll try and maybe mute it out so I don't set your devices off at home when I edit this video. So let's just for kicks say, are you there?
I'm here. I listen once I hear the wake word.
There she is. And so it's simple as that. And let's just, for sake of completeness here, let's just try one more. What's the weather today?
The current weather is 76 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight, you can expect overcast weather with a low of 65 degrees.
And there you go. And it is indeed a beautiful day in the neighborhood here. So yeah, so that's how you go about setting up a new Echo Plus using the ALEXA app. If you got any value from this video, if you just wouldn't mind giving me a quick thumbs up. I'm kind of down close here, so I got to be careful with my thumb. Please subscribe for more for my fun take on all things tech, and for more on everything Alexa. I do a ton of videos on you know who and all sorts of tips, tricks, and what have you. So please subscribe if you're into that sort of thing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.